Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Well, happy Tuesday, everybody. I know today is a more average day than we saw yesterday. It felt a little bit weird yesterday, but things are going to be more like we would expect. We do have some cloud coverage at the moment, but we got to start with our satellite imagery. Take a look. What you're seeing here, well, despite the flashing, is going to be our system that made things a little weird yesterday, leaving the area. You can clearly see what it's doing towards eastern Oregon, bringing a lot of instability out there, lightning over the last 4 hours as well. But that is exiting the region. So what we're dealing with for today, just a little bit of a northwesterly flow in the upper atmosphere, bringing some cloud coverage in for this morning. And that's just as this exits out towards the east. Now, then that leaves room for, you guessed it, a ridge to start developing, and that's where our huge heat wave comes on from. You can see this ridge is moving its way into the area at the moment, and it is a strong one. It's going to bring a lot of heat to the area, a lot of high pressure, and those two things together, they're going to make what's called a thermal trough, which is essentially a really hot spot out along the west coast. And with that, it's going to be redirecting our winds from the east, and we know what happens in that situation. Much more heat. So many things together snowballing into a powerful heat wave. Stormcast here is going to show you just clouds breaking for most of the morning here. By 12 o'clock, it looks like we're pretty much cloud free. 3:30, a little bit more cloud activity up towards the north, and then into the evening, we lose all those clouds. So tomorrow morning, you'll notice it's a chilly one since we've got nothing to hold the heat in for today. I want to show you on the models, just like what I was talking about. We're watching this exit, but look at the intensity of this ridge just getting into this afternoon and tomorrow. Maximum amplitude is going to be on Thursday, but look at the extent of how much this orange is stretching up from the south, and it just gets even stronger into Thursday. That should be the hottest day. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast here. Things are impressive as we move forward. 75 for the coast on Wednesday. Mostly sunny today. We do have clouds taking over once again as we get into Friday. Umpqua Basin, that's the impressive one. So 86 for today, jumping up to 100, then 104 on Thursday. That could be a record. I'll have to check that one. 94 for Saturday, still staying warm after that. But as we get into Tuesday, long-range models do look like we're going back into a cooling pattern, maybe even some rainfall coming after that. Cascade Pass is 74 for today, up to 88 for the high there on Thursday. And finally, Willamette Valley, it's the same. 83 degrees for today, 101 Thursday. It's going to be a very hot one, back down to 82 by Monday.